So, mag-solve tayo ng projectile motion. So, sabi dito, the ball is thrown off the top of the building, strikes the ground at B. So, ito yung B. 3 seconds. Determine the initial velocity VA and the inclination angle theta 8 at which it was thrown. Also, find the magnitude of the ball's velocity when it strikes the ground. So, solve natin. For y tayo. For y direction muna. So, for y. So, meron tayong kinematics equation dito. So, yan yung mga formula na gagamitin natin for this question. For y tayo, so, given tayo ng... So, yung mga x pala dito, palitan nyo na lang ng y when it... Pag with respect to y direction yung sasagutan nyo. So, yun. So, for y, given tayo. So, gamitin natin to. Formula na to. So, given tayo ng delta y, which is negative 75. Negative 75 feet. Is equals to VIT. So, VI. So, in sine. Bakit siya sine kasi? Andito yung angle natin. Theta A. So, kunin natin to. Yung portion lang na to yung gagamitin natin. Sine theta. Multiply by 3. Then, minus 1/2 or 0.5. So, bakit tayo nag-minus? Bakit tayo nag-minus? Kasi, pangat yung motion ng object natin. 32.2 kasi naka-fit tayo. Then, the 3 squared. So, yun. Bali, gagawin natin is, ilipat natin sa kabila. Then, we will isolate the VI. So, i-minus na natin agad. So, negative 75 plus 0.5 multiply by 16.1 32.2 pala. Then, the 9. So, meron tayong 69.9 VI is equal to VI. Sorry. The VI side of theta multiply by 3. Then, divide tayo ng 3, guys. So, cancel natin to. So, yung VI natin, so VI sin theta, isolate pala natin yung VI. So, sin theta. So, cancel na to, guys. So, meron na tayong VI is equal to 69.9 divided by 3. Meron tayong 23.3 all over the sine of theta. So, for x naman tayo. For x. So, gamitin ulit natin yon. So, given tayo ng displacement na 60. Delta x is 60 is equal to the VI cosine theta multiplied by the time, which is 3 seconds, plus the 0.5 or the 1/2, then 0, then the 3 squared. Bakit 0? So, hindi naman nag-accelerate yung object natin in x direction. So, 0 siya. So, divide natin to. So, cancel na to, diba? So, divide natin to by cosine 3. Cosine theta multiply by 3. Both sides. So, cosine theta multiply by 3. So, cancel to. So, yung VI natin was equal to 20 divided by the cosine theta, which is yung hinahanap natin. So, equate natin yung dalawa. So, yung VI kanina, tsaka yung VI na to, antayin 23.3 is equal over sine of theta. This is equal to 20 all over the cosine of theta. Then, cross multiply guys. So, meron tayong sine all over cosine, which is equal to tangent theta. And equal siya sa 23.3 divided by excuse me 23 excuse me again. So divided by 20. So kunin natin yung arctangent na ito, which is meron tayong arctan of tangent theta is equal to tan 23.3 over 20. So yung theta natin guys is equal to shift tan, doon tayong 23.3 divided by 20. Doon tayong 49.3582. 49.3582 degrees. So, using this information, makukuha na natin yung V final and yung V initial. So, plug in natin to dito. So, yung V initial natin is VI is equal to 20 divided by the cosine of the angle, which is 49.3582, which is equal to VI natin guys is equal to what? So, ano tayong 20 divided by the cosine of 49.3582. 30.7065 30.7065 feet per second. So, yun. So, for y tayo para sa final velocity. So, gamitin natin yung formula na to guys. Ito. So, pag i-square natin to, maka-cancel na yan, di ba? So, V final natin, V final is equal to the square root of what? So, meron tayong V initial, which is 30.7065. VFY to. VFY. 65 sine of the angle, which is 49.3582 squared minus 2, then the negative 75, then the acceleration, which is 32.2. So, yung VFY natin is equal to 30.7065 multiplied by the sine 49.3582 squared minus 2 multiplied by negative 75.2. Meron tayong 73 point something. So, 73.3 30.000 feet per second. So, sa VFX, meron tayong square root. So, meron tayong 30.7065 multiplied by the cosine of 49.3582 squared plus 2, then the 60, then the acceleration in x direction, it is 0. So yung VFX natin is equal to square, so meron tayong 30.7065 multiplied by the cosine of 49.3582. So meron tayong 20, sakto. 20.0000 feet per second. So, kunin natin yung resultant velocity, guys. So, di ba meron tayong VFX? Yan, then yung VFY natin, which is eto. Then yung velocity natin, which is pag ganun. Ito yung VF natin. So, ito yung hypotenuse. Ito yung 20. Ito yung 73.3. So, kunin natin yung BF natin is equal to the square root using the Pythagorean theorem. Just 73.3 squared plus the 20 squared. So, BF natin is equal to the square root of 73 squared plus the 20 squared. So, meron tayong 75.9795 feet per second. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin for the final velocity. So, yun na yun.